Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check copyright claim on Instagram in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, open up the Instagram app and then tap on menu, your profile on the bottom right and three lines on the top right to head over to the menu, and then tap on settings and privacy on the top. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find account status just under help to the bottom. Tap on it and it will give you two options. You'll have to tap on removed content, and right here you'll be able to find the copyright claims. If you have used any audio that was copyrighted audio, you'll find it here and you can appeal against that copyright claim. And right now it's saying your content is not affected at the moment, and uh, that's all you can find here. If any one of your videos are using music or something that is that is not copyright free, it will appear here and you can appeal for that if it is not real or not. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.